Take control and stop unwanted mention on Instagram now. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to turn off mention on Instagram. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. At first, open the Instagram app and go to your profile at the bottom right. Tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and select mention. Here under the who can mention you section, choose don't allow mention to disable the mention completely. Changes are saved automatically and no one can mention your username anymore. So this is how to turn off mention on Instagram. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.